Steak,
Okay,
calm
go
down.
now. Put it to bottom.
Just drop the taser,
Stop!
bro.
You do it.
Steak, we're trying to help you.
Yeah.
Take the Dr. Pepper and drop the taser.
Yeah,
now.
drop the taser, bro. Yes, he's gonna take it. Hello? Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god! Bro, guys, this is scary. Like, I'm watching this at 4 a.m.
What is this place? I just saw something move.
Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Hello?
What's happening? Maybe what?
I gotta turn the
Stop.
captions.
I've played these games before.
Please don't be there. Please don't be
Stop.
there.
We need to take this seriously.
Right?
Oh no! Oh no! Shh. Things out here. Is that him?
Oh my god, I see him. I
Can't
see
even
him.
tell. Oh no! Oh no! Oh no!
Oh, hell
Lock the
no.
bank door.
Hell no.
Oh shh. It is. It's locked. It's locked. Shh.
What the freak? Oh my god, he's at the door.
Stop, please!
Oh no.
Please! Why are your siblings?
Ah! He's got the taser. He's got the taser.
I'm actually terrified.
Do not open the door. Do not!
Let's go out. Let's go find him.
Stupid! I'm closing my eyes in case.
Come on.
I'm actually scared.
Steak?
Hello?
Bro, you okay? Stop. You've done the prank like it doesn't work after the 15th time, bro.
You're so funny.
Right?
I'm not trying to be funny. You're the one trying to be funny.
Well, we're not supposed to
Open it.
disrespect
Open
people.
it. Open it. Oh, holy shit!
Oh my god!
Holy shit!
Oh my god!
Holy shit! Stop! This is
Bro, go! But we're dead. I gotta give you jukes.
surprised he's
What's
not going
happening?
for the fridge.
You gotta give him the jukes. What's
He's in his
happening?
closet.
He took me so long.
Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god! Bro,
my
this is
gosh.
scary,
Steak.
bro. Like,
What is up? I'm injured. Stop.
You good? Did he chase you?
Oh, you grabbed my arm. Oh, that hurt.
You shot me?
Why are you crying?
I'm not.
Bro, she's crying.
Bro, are you, bro, are you crying?
Oh, my arm. Steak.
okay.
Can this just be over?
I know. Steak, why did you do that? Why did you tase his arm?
Ah!
Please stop!
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 What are you doing? Stop!
You stupid.
Leave this place now.
And we need to somehow acquire the taser.
Can you grab the camera now? Back on. I'm facing my fears. I'm done with this shit. I'm facing my fears. I'm done.
Same.
I'm done with this shit,
Same.
bro. You think you're so tough carrying around that taser, don't you? Think you're so tough, hey, buddy? You know what? Stop!
Ah!
Is it unplugged?
Stop! Stop! Stop!
Stop,
Wait,
bro.
let me
Stop
check.
tasing everyone.
No.
Stop it. He's
Is he chasing us?
No, don't lock it. It's fine. We can just guard ourselves.
Yeah. Just lock it, lock it, lock it, lock it.
No.
Oh my god, he's in the window. Steak,
Does
bro.
your internet bill keep getting higher? That's because
No.
promo pricing
No,
is
not the
full of
ad, bro.
surprises.
Is he stupid? Wait!
Go. Lock the door. Lock the door. Quickly.
Right there.
Hello?
Lock it.
Bro. Hello? Oh my god.
Stop. Don't leave me.
Get out of your closet.
Drop the taser now.
Yeah.
We won't let you in until you drop the taser.
Drop the taser, and we'll let you in. Drop the taser.
Show it. Show you dropping it in the window. Gross.
I'm not hiding in no dang closet. Heck no. That's how I die. Heck no. I'm not doing that.
I see him.
Stop.
He was right there.
Oh
Bro,
Oh, why does he keep doing
where
this?
the heck is he?
no. Oh my gosh. Stay. Stop. This is so. Oh, this is so unnecessary, Steak.
Oh my god, can you stop
No, it's not.
escaping
We
the
locked it.
windows?
No, it's not. We locked it. We locked the door.
Oh, sorry. I guess I offended him.
No. What I'm interested in Morse code.
Hello?
Who's at the door?
You idiot. It's him.
Hello? Hello? I don't see nobody. Hello? Steak? Steak, where are you, bro?
Oh, heck no. This way. Steak?
Oh my god!
Stop! Steak!
He almost got us, bro. He almost got us for real. I don't know if I heard the taser or not. I just heard him. Bro, he's weak, bro. He's bro, you good? Bro, you good?
Unlock the door so he gets in. You just hide in the corner. He won't see you.
I don't feel so good. I feel like I'm gonna pass out.
Hello? Guys? Oh my god, not again. Guys, you guys can't give up from this.
Where are we?
Oh my god, he's still there. Oh my god. No, Steak is not dead, guys. Someone just said it in the chat. Call Pack God. Why would? Oh my
I'm
god.
saying things. It's okay. Come Come on. It's okay. He's not there. He's not there. Come on. It's okay. It's okay. We're okay. Come on. It's okay. It's okay. We're okay. We're okay. We're okay. See?
Run, bro.
We're okay. We're okay. We're okay. We're okay.
Oh no. Oh no.
Steak? Is that you?
Hey.
Steak, buddy, calm down. Dang.
Wait, if we freeze, maybe he'll.
Yeah, good idea. Good idea.
He's kind of done.
Freeze.
Oh no, we're being frozen by a monster!
He knows what's happening.
Whoa.
Ah! Bro, what is happening, bro?
Steak.
Wait, what if we.
Enough of this shiz. There's no food.
In the freezer?
Did he seriously eat it all?
He ate
How
ate it all.
did he eat the entire fridge? Oh my
He
gosh.
ate. My man doesn't take one
We gotta
food.
put an
He
end to
eats
this.
the whole
This is outrageous.
entire
He ate
refrigerator.
the whole
Spends
fridge.
1 whole minute eating them.
It's outrageous.
Like, bro,
This
you're
is
gonna
gone
get fat
long enough.
if you
It
eat
is
that
time
much,
to
bro.
put an end to this. Steak, come back home. All right? That Fortnite match is not worth it.
Mom misses you, Dad misses you.
Okay, maybe mom not, but
Hello? Steak?
where? Did he? Wrong way?
Hello?
Oh, I thought I saw him. Come on, it's okay. Come on, it's okay.
Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god! Bro, no! Please come back up! Come back up! No! Where can he be? Where can he be? Oh my god! I'm actually having a heart attack. Steak gave me a heart attack. He gave
Hey!
Want to play again?
Hello?
In the corner. He didn't see me. He didn't see me.
Oh my god, he's getting tased.
Stop! Sis! Stop! Sis!
You scared me, I thought you died!
I thought you died, bro.
Heal son!
Oh, yeah. Oh, bro. This is so scary. No way he can get in here. There's only 2 minutes left on the video.
What was that sound?
He's gotta be sneaking around there somewhere.
Rick? It's okay. We can talk this out. Let's all sit down in a circle, okay?
Yeah.
Come on, sis. It's okay. He's not here. It's okay. It's okay. No, come over here. No, come over here. It's okay. No. What? He's not there. I checked. He's not there. We're fine. No. He's not there. We're okay. See? I have an idea. What if we play a game called the Burger Game?
Yeah.
We all sit in a circle and we talk about our favorite foods while repeatedly hitting the ground.
I really like corn. I really like McDonald's.
Burger,
Spaghetti.
fries,
Ramen.
Lasagna.
chicken,
McFries.
Pizza.
sandwiches,
Pasta.
Waffle House.
Cheeseburgers.
Gyoza.
Sprite.
Sushi.
McRib.
Glazed
Big
donuts.
Burger.
Big Mac.
McDonald's.
Fries.
Hey.
And chicken
You found
McNuggets.
it. You want
Burger.
McDonald's? You-
Fries. McDonald's.
Hey.
Pasta.
If you put
Hello? No, bro, they died. No. Well, guys, that was it for today's episode. I know that was scary for some of you guys, but don't worry, I'll make it up for you guys. I hope you guys have a pleasant night. Nacho Morris has left the building. Thank you and good night.